How do you blend an image on top of an image in Elementor? Well, I have a practice site here and I have a practice page. I'm going to edit with Elementor. And you'll see I have an image in the background of this section. If I choose Edit Section, you will see under Style, Classic. Here's the image that I used. I just did Edit Section, click the image here, and put that baby in there. So now we have an image in the background, and what most people are accustomed to is adding a background overlay with a little bit of a gradient or a shade of a single color. Well, you can also add these really neat images as a background overlay now. So I'm going to pick an image. It's a starry night photo, and right away you see you get this nice effect where they sort of blend them together. It's kind of a blend mode that they've put in here. The actual blend mode that you use is selected here, and you can play around with what you use, and you can adjust the opacity here. But just as a reference for what I used in this particular photo, it was pretty white, so it had a light photo for the background and a dark photo for the background overlay. So they kind of contrasted each other. You can play around with these effects here. A lot of them end up, if you do Photoshop, you understand what's going on. Here we just have them on the dark, which is pretty cool. There are a lot of things you can do with this to keep yourself entertained. So, and then once you do that, you might want to adjust that. So, hope this one was helpful. Thanks. Oh, and if you are interested in full tutorials, you can go to stepbystepwp.com. That's where I put all of my full tutorial videos, and instead of doing just little sectioned off, you just do a whole site. And what's nice about my tutorials is that you start with an entire starter site to download, and so you don't have to start from scratch. You have a full site to use as a template, and then you can go ahead and go from there.